Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, as you know that this is our English copy and today I am going to teach you month's name. And today's month's name are May and June. Children, as you know that in our previous video we learned about January, February, March and April. And today's lesson is about May and June. Now open your copy and do your work with me. Children, in the first you will draw the line in the middle of the page and make two columns like this. In first column you will write May, M-A-Y, May. What is the spelling of May? M-A-Y, May. And in another column you will write the spelling of June. And the spelling of June is J-U-N-E, June. What is the spelling of June? J-U-N-E, June. And what is the spelling of May? Read with me. M-A-Y, May. Read it again. M-A-Y, May. And the spelling of June is J-U-N-E, June. Now children, we will write here again and again the spelling of May and June. Now write with me. M-A-Y, May. Write it again. M-A-Y, May. Now write it again. The spelling of May. M-A-Y, May. Now write it again. M-A-Y, May. Now children, you will write here the spelling of June. And the spelling of June is J-U-N-E, June. Write it again. J-U-N-E, June. J-U-N-E, June. Write it again. J-U-N-E, June. Children, you will complete this page with the guidance of your parents at home. Thank you. Take care and Allah Hafiz.